I'm not running.
Liam, send me those.
Yeah, I'm sending you. Oh.
Three go. Come down the side. Do it anyway.
Yo.
Come on. Look at all the other people over there. All the other people over there. Go.
That's.
Go see him. Oh, careful. Look.
Yo, these are so cool. Yo.
Yeah, those are the Dover fireworks.
Yeah. Bang. God damn. Oh! Yo, these are actually crazy. Oh!
Surprise attack!
Yo! We got two.
I'm trying to keep up. Oh, a big one.
Oh, where? Oh, they're trying to compete. They're trying to compete, yo.
They're trying to compete against the city. They're competing against the city.
Who likes? Wait. Whoa! Wait, which one's better?
Dover has bigger booms.
Yeah, Dover has bigger booms, but this has more explosions.
Whoa! I know, Dover had a pretty big one though.
Yeah.
I see an up and coming one.
Oh, that one's good. Oh, double combo.
Oh! It sends a gunshot.
Oh, that one was good. That one was. Oh, the
It's gonna
finisher.
explode inside
Oh.
of it.
Yes. Yo, I'm trying to compete. They're trying to compete. I'm trying to keep up.
I'm trying to keep. Oh!
Which one do I film?
Oh, that one, definitely.
Oh, this one. This one got hit with a
Dover
combo.
again.
Dover. Yo.
That was a big one.
Yeah, that was a big one. Yo, that one was fire. The way it just exploded. Yeah, that one.
Oh, those ones are lame now. We can't even see them.
Yeah. Oh! Yo, that was a...
Oh!
Oh! They're working their way back up, but Dover is still competing.
This is like Godzilla versus King Kong. Oh!
Yeah. Yo. Dover. Oh, wait, they got explosions.
Oh!
I'm going over here. I'm gonna move forward.
Wait, let's go up here. They have a better view up here.
I'm just recording.
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Happy American Day! That person's definitely getting arrested after this.
Yeah, bro, he's setting off way too many fireworks.
Oh, yeah, see it.
Yeah, say it, bro. Oh, wait, that's the end of that. Oh, that came back.
Oh!
That one.
Only Dover now?
Only Dover, they ran out. Oh, you come back. There's bugs. Oh, Dover's got a big one.
That lit up the whole sky. They should pull out the El Diablo.
What's an El Diablo?
It like lights the whole sky. It's a firework that lights the whole sky up. It's so bright.
Is it so big that it's on?
Or
Yeah,
they might do a finale. They might do a finale though. Oh, this one's a big one. Oh, that was big.
Oh! Oh, crap.
I'm filming though.
Oh, El Diablo. Oh man, I
No,
thought
El Diablo's like
I'm scared.
that one's not an El Diablo.
He's so fast.
El Diablo! Come on.
Who's the one now?
It's El Diablo.
it's the most.
Who's the one now?
Do an El Diablo. Come on.
It's the most illegal firework.
Oh.
Wait, El Diablo? It's illegal?
Yeah. Then why'd you say? Oh, this one's gonna be big.
The boom on that one.
Oh, it looks like lava from Minecraft. Falling down.
Oh, this one. That one's good big. Those are the most expensive ones. These are cheap ones. Those are cheap. These are. I think I've experienced an El Diablo before.
No, you haven't.
I think I have. They're not gonna do an El Diablo. They're not doing an El Diablo. What are you talking about? It's the most illegal firework in the world
Why is it called? Why is it illegal?
because it lights the whole sky up. Oh, they're doing some. They're doing. Oh, those are lame.
Yeah.
They're taking shots at each other.
Whose is better? Oh. Oh, that one
That
was.
was cool. That was like a sunflower bean.
Oh. Oh.
Damn, that's cool.
That was lame. Oh. Bang. Oh my God. Bang. Bang.
El Diablo.
Well, you can see the fragments of the other. That looks sick.
You can't?
That-
Oh yeah, you
Look
can.
at that.
This one might be good. I wish they could do a finale, but do a finale.
They're setting off a lot at a time.
Oh, this might be good. Bang bang.
I'm only filming Dover now. We've seen enough of their fireworks. It's all the same fireworks over there.
Yeah.
Oh, red, white, and blue!
Yeah! America! Yeah, I'm only filming Dover now.
Oh, so
Yeah, those fireworks suck.
yeah, they're the same ones. Yeah. Oh, I heard another big one.
Oh! Bro, I wish they could do like a pew 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 and then no. Oh! Oh! Double combo. Have you seen the fireworks that shoot up and then they shoot and then the fragments explode?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's called a cluster bomb.
Cluster bomb. Yeah.
That's a real bomb. Like you shoot it and then it lets off look like there's little missiles on the ground and it explodes it.
Why are you grabbing my shoulder like that? Yes, you did. You grabbed my shoulder. Oh. Loki. Oh.
Alright, now back to Dover.
Back to Dover.
Back to Billboard. Back to Billboard.
They're doing big ones.
Yeah, they're doing way bigger. was trying to do a lot at a time, but it's not working. Denver's better. Yeah, see? Let's see how high that one goes. Oh! Yeah, that looks like a cluster bomb. No. Well, you get. How long do you think you would face in prison if you lit an El Diablo? Not that long.
It's a firework. It's not gonna kill you. Well, yeah, if you get hit by it. It just lights up like the whole sky.
And that's probably illegal because it's probably public disturbance. Maybe.
No, because it's a Fourth of July.
Oh. I'm gonna watch El Diablo. Actually. I'm gonna watch an El Diablo get lit, and because I'm curious.
Oh, that's a cluster.
Oh, cluster.
Those look like bees, like swarming off in a hive.
Yeah. They do.
I think there's a moth on my flashlight. They're so excited. That's great. Oh, that was a big one. I wonder if they're gonna be, like, there's gonna be a super big one.
Imagine if there was no El Diablo and then one just blew up the moon.
What?
I don't think it's powerful enough to blow.
No, like a
Maybe a crater in the moon, but
no,
not.
like 100 of
Not
them.
even a crater in the moon.
No, like 100. No, like 100.
Well, what if it got blown up?
It's just the
like,
brightest
inside?
one.
No, like 100 rockets with a bunch of dangerous fireworks attached to it, and it broke the entire.
Bro, these things.
Oh, stupid mosquitoes.
Wait, that kind of looks like a person.
I know.
Wait, what?
It looks like hair and then eyes. Oh my god.
Yo, that was a
That was like
loud
a
one.
monster.
Cluster bomb.
We are be 5 of 5.
Say boom. Boom. Bang.
That's the other bomb getting shot. See?
Abracadabra!
Bang.
Every time you hear another boom, that's the other one going up in the air. See, that's why you never hear the
Hold
second
on.
one. Ooh, that's gonna be a big one. Watch it. That's so underwhelming for cluster.
Hold on. I'm gonna cover my camera.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh, they're going back at it.
Oh, they're coming
How
back.
many fireworks do they
They're
have?
making a comeback. How much money do you think all those cost?
That's probably my friend Brigham's house because he's rich.
No. But your
Oh my
friend-
god, that one's gonna be a big one.
Oh!
That's also gonna be a big one.
Watch. Wait, what? I don't see it. Oh, that's a drone! I see a drone.
Yeah,
I just
drones
realized.
film the show.
Oh, I love drones.
There was a drone show.
You see him, Bo T?
Yeah.
Do you see the
Yeah,
drone
the
all the way
drone.
back there too? The
Yeah.
green and red flashing light.
Yeah.
There's two drones.
Got one down low and one way up high.
And there's
Yeah.
another one right there and there.
Those are stars.
Bruh.
Yeah, those are stars, my guy. Look. Look right above the tree. You see the green? You see the green dot right above the tree? And then all the way up.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Green and red.
I see it.
That's a star too.
Oh, dummy.
If you want to drone with a camera, how about you learn how to fly the little one first?
Oh, that's purple.
No,
Yo.
did it? Alright.
Oh, cluster.
I'm done filming. It's gonna be such a long of a video. Mine was already 13 minutes. Yours is 14. We should do it. I'm done filming.
I'm not.
I'm done. Look at.